Top Talent Automotive Fixture and Jigs Company Limited, TTM, founded in 2011, is specialized in manufacturing a variety of fixtures such as attribute, variable, CMM holding fixtures, as well as welding jigs. TTM has a team of professional designers, which is the first runner in this industry. With their rich experience and technical knowledge, they are convinced that they can integrate techniques and put forward innovative solutions based on client standpoint. TTM will always be in compliance with clients' requirement, as we strongly believe that the better performance depends on dedicated attitude.
My name is Franco Francese and I am from Italy, but my life I living so long time in Germany, so this means I have a lot of experience in automotive. And what I learned in my 45 years in that time, I will give this company because I chose Top Talent because it's very, very serious and he makes so good quality. And I meet a lot of company here in China. But Top Talent was the best one what I chose. And now I start here in this company and I will help to get a very good quality and a small price. This means a Chinese price. And we are the best one in China. I guess we will be the #1 in China for quality and for price.
Our goal is to continuously improve our effectiveness and efficiency in the areas of quality, reliability, commitment, and dedication in order to meet or exceed our customers' expectations. TTM has become a global manufacturer in automotive fixtures and welding jigs. We attach great importance in the application of advanced technologies and the enhancement of project management. What we hope is to win our clients' trust with our reliable efforts, better supporting the development of our clients' business. To meet clients' diversified demand, TTM has invested in over 40 CNC machines, including the advanced brand Awe, Mazak equipment. We have built lots of projects such as Porsche's new Spider, BMW G05, G08, G38, GM T1XX, C1UC, C1YB, Tesla Model 3, etc. The number of checking fixture in these projects is from 30 to 100 sets. For each project, we have dedicated engineers to review the designs with our client on site to speed up the timing and get satisfaction from the clients. Our high standard of quality will be maintained through our inspection facility with various advanced CMM equipments. We will do what we can to strictly control every aspect of production, as we believe details are the key to the quality of products. The annual output we can reach is 1,500 sets with 90% products sold overseas and will be growing, which is accompanied with steady increase in annual marketing turnover. We will be committed to conducting long-time business cooperation with the well-known automotive manufacturers at home and abroad. TTM is providing perfect service and creating more values for our clients all over the globe with our high-quality products.
My name is Paul. I'm from Brazil. His company Tower International. I responsible in quality check fixture, and we have I work with TTM 2 big projects in last year. Is the name Honda VR 100 MQB. I like the quality factor because it's the deliver on the time with good quality check fixing. So this we give more job TTM now in process. In big project in Volkswagen, like this. Big structuring is machining, is a high precision. For example, is the Mazak, is the same office in Brazil. I feel totally secure in quality job in TTM. I trust your TTM. Gosto muito do trabalho TTM.